How to create Microsoft Teams account on laptop. Today I'm going to show you guys how you can easily create or log into your account on Microsoft Teams. Go ahead and open up your web browser, or if you have the application, just open up the Microsoft Teams app. I'm going to continue with browser and simply search for Microsoft Team and then hit enter. Click on the first link that you see, Microsoft.com, Teams for video conferencing. And at the top right, you'll find the sign in option. Go ahead and click on this. And if you already have an account, you can simply go ahead and sign in to your Microsoft Teams account. But if you are new to this, you're going to have to create a new Outlook account for you to use it on Teams. Now, as you can see here, I'm on the welcome page for Teams. I already have this account, so I can just get started with it. But if you want to use another account, click on use another account. And if you are new, you could also create a completely new account for this. Now from here, just go ahead and click on the sign in option. And now you'll be taken to the sign in portal. And if you're new, click on create an account. Now just enter your email address. And then once you've done that, just tap on next. And if this is a new email, you could just go ahead and verify the code that you get on your email to create a new account. But I already have a Microsoft account connected to this email, so I'm just going to go ahead and click on sign in. Once you do that, you can enter your password and then click on next. Now, once that is done, if you want to stay signed in, click on yes. If not, click on no. Now you've successfully logged into Microsoft Teams. I hope this tutorial was helpful to you guys, and I'll see you on the next one.